Welcome to our tutorial on how to zoom in on CapCut PC. 1. Launch CapCut on your device and create a new project. 2. Add the video to use. 3. Click the Effects button at the bottom, then select Video Effects. 4. Scroll through and choose the Zoom Lens effect in the Basic section. 5. Customize the speed and range by clicking the Adjust button. 6. Tap the check mark to apply the effect. 7. Hold and drag the edge of the effect to set how long the zoom effect will last. 8. Save the zoomed video using the Export button in the top right corner. You have learned how to zoom in on CapCut PC. Thank you for watching our guide.